Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about how you can enable the developers option in your device Vivo Y33T. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If you want to enable the developers option in your device, you can do it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can enable the developers option in your device Vivo Y33T. Let's watch the video.